Turn photos into animated videos in seconds with Adobe Express. Want to turn static photos into a scroll-stopping animated video in just a few clicks? Let me show you how to use an easy animation video maker inside Adobe Express. Hey everyone, I am Sawad, photographer and content creator, and today I will show you how to create animated videos by turning any photo into a moving masterpiece using Adobe Express, a simple animation maker tool. Whether it's a hiring announcement, an event flyer, or a quick promo, this is the fastest way to grab attention with photo animation on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or Stories. Let's get started. Select the image you want to animate. It could be a flyer, portrait, product photo, any animated photo idea you want to bring to life. Once uploaded, it opens on the canvas, ready to edit. Click directly on the image you just uploaded. Now look to the left side panel and click the Animation tab. Here you will see options like Zoom, Pan, Fade, Slide, Grow or Shrink. Pick one and Adobe Express instantly adds motion. This is exactly how to make animated videos easily and professionally. Click text to add a message like now hiring or even this week. Style it with your brand font, colors and layout. Then animate the text too from the left panel Animation tab. You can also add your logo, brand stickers, background music via the Media tab or upload your own track. All drag and drop. No complicated timelines. Perfect for anyone wanting to create animated videos fast. When you're ready, click download as MP4 and your animated photo video is ready to post anywhere. Let's say you are hiring a new sales staff and the original image is a photo of your team or a workspace. Add bold animated text, now hiring sales staff, smooth zoom in effect, subtext slides in, join our team, apply today, logo and a friendly background track. You get a clean, engaging animation video, no editor needed. For another example, promoting your Sunday brunch event. Start with your flyer image. Upload your flyer, animate the title, Sunday brunch special every week in gentle fading. Slide in details, time, venue, reservations. Add upbeat music. Your static flyer turns into a lively animated video. Perfect for stories, reels, or ads. Whether you are a creator, small business, or a marketeer, this easy animation maker is a huge time saver. No need for software, just one photo, a few clicks, and Adobe Express helps you make animated videos fast and professional. Try Adobe Express now. Website link is in the caption. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.